Hello, in today's video I'll show you how to fix MOVA Z60 Ultra not emptying the dust box. If it's not automatically emptying the dust box, then first you may want to try to trigger it in the app. To do it, you'll need to go to the MOVA Home app and then let me show you. You should be able to click on dock when the robot is docked and click on auto empty right here and see if it helps. If it doesn't, then you may want to remove the robot from the station and inspect all the dust canals. So I'll lift it for a moment so that it suspends itself. Now it won't try going anywhere. And now on the back you should see first on the back of the robot there is this rubber part that is there for removing the dust. So see if it's free of any debris and nothing is stuck in there. Try lifting it and seeing there. And also see on the station, it's going to be right here, a hole for it. So see if it's empty, if you can insert your finger there. Then also make sure that the dust bag is properly installed. So you may want to remove it. Then to put it in, I recommend holding the fabric like that so it doesn't get stuck in the assembly. And then put it in like that. And now make sure it's all the way there, and now try closing the door. If that didn't help, try removing the dust box, emptying it manually, and then the next time it should happen automatically. So lift the cover that is attached magnetically, then remove the dust box. Mine sometimes gets stuck for some reason. Okay, now it went out. And then let's press on this button to open. Remove the filter. If the filter is clogged, then you should clean it. You can rinse it with water, but if you do, remember to let it air dry for at least 24 hours before putting it back in to prevent mold. Then remove the dust from the inside here, and now if your filter is dry, you can put it in, close it, put it into the robot, and from now on it should automatically remove the dust. But if it works after triggering it from the app but doesn't happen automatically, then you may need to adjust some settings. And to do it, you can click on three dots in the top right corner and then go to dock settings. Then find auto empty settings and change the auto empty frequency to your preferred option. And I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.